Hey there, English learners. Tell me something. Have you ever wanted to make new friends in English, but didn't know what to say? You smile, you want to start talking, but your mind just goes blank?
Oh, yes, that happens to almost everyone. You have the words in your head, but when the moment comes, silence. Today, we'll fix that together.
That's right. In today's episode, you'll learn how to make new friends in English naturally, confidently, and without fear.
Here's what we're going to do. First, you'll listen to a real conversation between two people who meet for the first time in a park. Then, we'll come back, break it down, and explain every useful word, phrase, and expression so you can start using them right away.
So don't go anywhere. Stay till the end because we'll show you how to start any English conversation easily and keep it going like a pro.
And hey, if you enjoy learning English this way, hit that subscribe button right now. Like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Tell us who you'd love to talk to in English next.
All right, ready? Let's dive into the story and listen carefully to how two people, Emma and Ryan, turn a simple hi into a brand new friendship.
Hi there, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, it's free. You can sit here.
Thanks. It's such a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, really sunny. I love coming here when the weather's good.
Same here. I come here almost every weekend. I'm Ryan, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Ryan. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Do you live around here?
Yes, just a few blocks away. What about you?
I live nearby too, on Green Street. I usually come here to read or just relax. What brings you here today?
Oh, I just finished my morning walk. I like to sit here afterward and listen to music.
That sounds nice. What kind of music do you like?
Mostly pop and soft rock. You?
I like pop too, especially Ed Sheeran. His songs are great to listen to when I study.
Oh, same here. Perfect is one of my favorites.
Yes, that's such a beautiful song. So, are you a student?
Yes, I'm studying English at the community college. And you?
I work as a graphic designer, but I'm also trying to improve my English. It helps me with international clients.
That's great. Maybe we can practice together sometime.
That would be awesome. Do you come to this park often?
Almost every morning. How about you?
Mostly weekends. Maybe we can grab coffee next time?
Sure. That sounds nice.
Cool. Here, I'll give you my number.
Thanks. I'll text you later. It was really nice meeting you, Ryan.
Same here, Emma. See you around.
What a lovely and simple conversation, right? So natural. And it all started with one small question. Let's go through what happened and see how you can do the same.
Ryan began with, "Hi there, is this seat taken?" Such an easy and polite way to start talking to someone. It's friendly and doesn't sound strange. You can also say, "Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?"
Exactly. And Emma replied, "Oh no, it's free." Just a few words, but they opened the door for more. When you keep your tone kind and relaxed, people feel comfortable talking to you.
Then Ryan said, "It's such a nice day, isn't it?" This is one of the most natural ways to start small talk, talking about the weather. Everyone can relate to it.
Yes, and notice how Emma didn't stop at yes. She added, "I love coming here when the weather's good." That's a golden rule. Don't end the talk too quickly. Give a little more, and the conversation keeps flowing.
Next, Ryan introduced himself. "I'm Ryan, by the way." That small phrase, "by the way," makes it sound relaxed, not too formal.
And Emma replied warmly, "Nice to meet you, Ryan. I'm Emma." That's simple politeness, but also connection. When you say someone's name, it makes the moment personal.
Then came a friendly question. "Do you live around here?" It's a safe, easy question that helps you find common ground.
Emma answered, "Just a few blocks away." Short, friendly, and clear. Remember, when you meet someone new, keep it light. You don't need long stories, just enough to keep it moving.
Then they started talking about hobbies. "What brings you here today?" That's such a beautiful question.
It's open-ended so the other person can say more.
Emma said, I just finished my morning walk, and I like to sit here afterward and listen to music. She didn't just answer, she shared a bit of her life. That's what makes people open up to you.
Then they connected through music. Both liked Ed Sheeran. When you find something in common, that's the heart of friendship. It shows you understand and share similar interests.
Exactly. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need connection.
After that, they talked about study and work. Are you a student? I'm a graphic designer. That's how the talk became real. They shared a bit more about their lives.
And notice what happened next. Emma said, maybe we can practice together sometime. That's how small talk turns into real friendship.
Finally, Ryan said, maybe we can grab coffee next time. A natural and polite way to continue the friendship. It doesn't sound pushy, it sounds friendly and open.
And that's how two people who were strangers a few minutes ago walked away as new friends.
Friends, making new friends in English is not about perfect grammar. It's about being kind, showing interest, and starting simple.
That's right. You already have everything you need. Your smile, your voice, and your confidence. Start small, stay natural, and let your English open doors for you.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Spoken English. Tell us in the comments, where would you like to make new friends in English?
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Remember, every big friendship begins with a small hello.
We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep your English alive and your heart open. Bye for now.